I'm Donnie, and I came here seeking chiropractic care. I've had lower back pain for the better part of 40 years. I noticed there was something different about this place. I was off work. I actually couldn't stand very well. I have problems on both sides of my lower back. When I got here, they took time to x-ray me, talk to me about what they seen on the x-rays, and then told me that they were going to give me a solid treatment program. Here, when they do the adjustments, they sent me upstairs to do some exercises and some traction. I've seen well over 10 chiropractors in the last 40 years, and this is the first one that's ever done that for me. I would also say that the stretching goes along with what they do here. Traction, how to exercise at home, how to strengthen your core. This is something that I've never gotten anyplace else. Within 3 treatments, I was back to work, and I can just tell a difference. Whether I'm sitting at home and I go to stand up, there was always this fear of, am I going to go ahead and trigger a nerve, or something's going to get pinched in my back? And I honestly just haven't had that. I can bend over, my range of function has improved. All in all, I can't say enough. This place here has given me hope.